lap. Put my collar in my lap.
You are under arrest. You don't make these decisions.
Put my collar in my...
A drunk female stripper complicates things when officers respond to a call about possible domestic violence.
What's your name,
Never
ma'am?
shut the door. This is my door. Shut my door. No, I can shut my door.
Ma'am, what's your name?
We're not going to be playing this game.
I can shut my door. It's
Okay.
my legal residence.
Next. Okay. I don't know that. You're not giving us an ID.
My name is Courtney.
C-O-U-R.
RTNEY. This is my legal residence. I've done nothing illegal. I've done nothing wrong.
The officer now notices a very minute bruise on the suspect's arm.
What have I done?
What's that bruise on your arm from?
Exactly.
The bruise on the back of your arm?
I'm a stripper. I'm a dancer. I'm a legal dancer. I have danced for 2 years of my life.
Okay.
I dance.
What's the bruise from?
I dance.
What's the bruise on your arm
I dance. I strip down a pole. I drop down a 12
The scratches there are not from a...
Yeah, they are. They're from dropping down a
Okay.
pole.
Maybe
Thank-
bruising,
no, this is
but not the
my
scratches.
residence. No, I'm
And what
sorry.
about the scratches on your
Sorry.
wrist? Please don't touch me.
Sir, what? This is my residence.
You've already lied to me,
About what?
saying you're the only one here. So how do I believe that this is your residence?
Okay, where's your search warrant?
In these
No,
circumstances,
no,
you
no,
don't
no,
need a
no,
search.
no. Go to the magistrate. Go to the magistrate. Get your search warrant. No, 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 no. Go to the magistrate.
Yeah, we're not leaving right now.
You're not. You're gonna get your.
No. You
You have
touch me again, I'm gonna arrest you.
Try me.
No, try me. Touch me again and I'm going to arrest you.
Hey, there is somebody!
Thank you. Is she being insane?
Yes, she is. And
No,
so
I'm
are you.
not.
Come out.
No, he's not. No,
Step
you're fine. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Why?
Come out.
Why? Why? No, I want to hear the reasons why.
Because we got a complaint of a male
Why?
and female arguing, a female
Why?
yelling to stop. You've already lied to us, and now he's coming out. So stop. I have no idea who you are.
I have
and
had
you're
no
trying to tell-
female
Okay,
complaints
turn around.
on no. No, I can say who I am. No. No. Get out of my house! Hey! Get out of my f***ing house! Get out of my house!
At this moment, the officer searching the room finds multiple other people in the room.
This is illegal. This is illegal.
Courtney?
This is illegal. This is illegal. This is illegal. I will say this over and over.
Okay.
Come on.
Stop, you're getting tased.
All right.
3, 2.
Hey, chill in my apartment, yo. Yo, I got you. I got you on the bail money, bro. I made $700 last night. Fuck them. Shut up. Nobody cares what you do. Serve and protect. Okay, taste me. Okay, what you gonna do? Take that. And I'm gonna scream. Okay.
Oh yeah, she donkey kicked me. Yeah.
I live here.
Happy Easter. How'd you get it?
Happy Easter. He explained the charges. Why?
Yeah, battery on Leo, law enforcement officer. He tried to kick me. But when you did kick me, when the door got open, it was here. We were here for an investigation to see who was yelling on the balcony.
Why?
For an investigation. There was a male and a female.
Nobody asked for an investigation.
You don't have to ask for an investigation. That's not how an investigation works.
That is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is with the magistrate. Yes, it is. There has to be a search warrant issue at my place of residence.
You stick to dancing, I'll stick to doing the law.
I'm 110% drunk.
I couldn't tell.
I love you all. I'm sorry. Stay in my apartment until I get back. Just sleep. Love me and sleep. These motherfuckers.
Courtney, sit back down.
I'm not sitting down until you make me. What are you gonna do? Tase me? Tase me. I wanna get tased. I wanna feel it. I have no feeling in my body. Tase me. No? You don't wanna?
Stop. 5-1. I was trying to reach you earlier, but your subject pick didn't come back with a Virginia DL. What is her full?
They're like, no.
Hey, okay. Courtney, what's your middle name? Ann?
What is my middle name, Daddy? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Courtney just twerked multiple times and fell forward on her face, causing a laceration on her chin, which is where the blood came from.
My chin, you dumbass.
Let me get that other name again.
She She was twerking and fell forward.
I'm gonna lay her down.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll lay down. What are you gonna do? I did nothing wrong.
You wanna help stand her up? I got her chin.
Yep. Come on, Courtney.
No, you're not.
Stand up.
No, I'm not.
You want your slippers?
You can pick them up.
Get her real
Pick them up. No, you can pick them up. No, I'm saying right. You can pick them up.
He's
Pick
got one more
them
thing.
up. Pick my slippers up. Like all that fighting, you shut the f up. You stupid ass bitch. Like what the f? Shut these f up. You get the government to pay your fucking rent. Shut up. My mother lives on the fucking government that doesn't fucking love you. Stupid ass fucking bitch. I hate you both. I wish you fucking both die.
Okay.
Do my best. She's not very compliant.
I have been very quiet. I've laid in the hallway for an hour, you stupid ass bitch. I have been very fucking quiet. I don't have a fucking car, you bitch.
We're not taking you in your car.
I don't give a fuck. You're a fucking asshole.
You got all the blood out of your mouth? That's not nice. We're trying to make your chin stop bleeding, okay?
No, you're not. You're just being
This is-
assholes.
She did the same thing to me. So we got battery on Leo times 2.
I can't read you too much static.
Let's get out of the middle of the road.
Christ.
Walk her over to the car.
Oh my god, stop walking me.
You want to drag you?
Drag me, baby. What are you gonna do, tase me? What am I doing wrong?
Aside from being obnoxious?
Well, how are we getting her to the hospital? You guys want to put her in? You want to put her in a wagon? Or you want
We called fire to at least wrap her chin up, and then I'll take her to the hospital. You stand her up for a second.
No, f you. I approve. I could not leave. These are not bruises from
Okay.
hurt.
Hey, look up. Look up. Look up.
No, no.
No, we're Evac's gonna take her. She's still bleeding pretty good.
Courtney, stop. We're not gonna take a picture anymore, okay?
Yeah, I got the camera away. Come on, sit back on the hood.
Come on. It's cold out here. Just sit on the hood.
I don't care. No.
You have a hobble?
Oh, I do. I got shackles too.
So you already kicked 2 people.
Yeah.
Why are you gonna make them shackle me? You're a f***ing bitch. Yes, you just said we have to shackle her. You're a f***ing bitch. Yes, you did. I just heard you.
just sit her on the ground, man.
Take a seat. Alright, take a seat.
No, you're a f***ing asshole. No, I'm not taking a seat. F you. No. Try. No. You, you're a f***ing bitch. You're both f***ing bitches. You're all fucking
Wrap her up.
I was never issued a fucking warrant in my place. I want to see a warrant for my place now.
You open the door.
No, I want to see the warrant now. I want to see the warrant now issued by the magistrate. I want to see it now.
Stop pinching me, damn.
Where's the warrant, huh?
Courtney, stop.
Where's the warrant? Where's the warrant? Where's the fucking warrant? I'll say that over and over until you all lose your fucking batches.
There is no warrant.
Yeah, why? Why is there no fucking warrant?
Because we don't need one.
In my place of fucking living.
You open the door.
I did not open the door.
Yeah, you did.
Where's the fucking warrant?
Are you pinching my partner again? Stop. Hey, we got the fire department coming to check out your
I
chin.
don't care. Where the fire department? Where's my fucking warrant?
Put your legs down, Courtney.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Daddy's shackling my wrist and my ankles. Oh no. What will I ever do, Daddy?
Come on, Courtney, let's go. Stand up.
Can I have my slippers, you fucking piece
Yeah.
of shit?
We can.
My ankles are literally fucking locked.
Okay.
So fix them. Fix them. Fix them. Fix them. No. I've been saying.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
No, I'm not.
Watch your head.
No, I'm not. No, piece of shit.
Enough's enough. Enough's enough.
I'll meet you over there at the hospital.
Yeah, where's your blood at?
Oh, I got blood. No, this is my biggest problem. Yeah, I ripped my pants open.
Nice. And all that for none of that
Nothing.
even needed to have.
No shit.
All the other 4 that were inside, not the 2 that were outside, but the other 4
Yeah.
were nice as could be. Super cooperative. They were nice. No issues with them at all. It was really this idiot and the other one.
Did they say that she had a confrontation with anybody?
No.
I mean, she's all
Pretty much
bruised
what
up.
I got was, yeah, I know. She was all bruised up. She's got cuts on her wrist. Like, those look more self-inflicted, but she's got scrapes down her
She got
arms and
bruised,
stuff,
look like somebody,
bruising,
yeah.
Which I get. You're a stripper. That's fine. Maybe that's how you get it. I get it. But what are you scraping your arm on? So, but she was just unreasonable to even talk to at all.
Oh yeah.
Apparently, according to the other 4 that were in the room, that was Courtney's apartment, according to them, and that all of them were invited there by Courtney. So, according to them, none of them are her boyfriends. So there was no domestic relationship between them. The way I got it was that they were all just friends. They were all invited there, and they have no idea why she was lying, saying that they weren't there. I mean,
but they were also the ones that went and hid. So
yes. Yeah.
After being transported to the hospital, Courtney doesn't let up with her behavior.
Look, that you can't leave it like that. All you need to do is come on out and have a seat. That's all you need to do.
Fucking God, is that all I have to do?
All you have to do is sit in this chair.
I just sit in my apartment. I live there. Like,
Okay, I need you to step on out, Courtney.
please let go of me.
I have no problem with that, but you need to come and sit down.
Dad, shut the fuck up.
Have a seat.
Shut the fuck up.
Ma'am, do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me?
No, ma'am, I don't have anything on. I'm gonna stick you, poke you, and hurt you or anything. Shut the fuck up. My name is Courtney. No,
everything
put
is
that in my lap. No, put that in my lap. Put my collar in my lap.
You are under arrest. You don't make these decisions.
Put my collar in my lap.
Everything will be in your property.
No, I don't.
Okay. Everything's on camera, Courtney.
Collar.
It went right inside your property bag.
My collar in my lap. You guys took me out of my apartment.
Actually, you stepped out.
No,
and then
I
we
didn't.
took you.
No.
Because of the way you're acting. And the fact that you started kicking officers.
No, I was not issued a search warrant. I was not issued. I don't care. I was not issued a warrant. Give me my collar. Give me my collar back. Put it in my lap.
It'll stay with us.
No, I don't believe you guys. No, I had money taken by you guys before. What's your name? Give me your full government name right now.
Michael Catalano.
Michael Catalano. No. I want to hear it. No, I'm sorry, ma'am. I literally have blood all over me. Give my collar in my watch. Oh, you son of a...
It's on my ear. If you, someone can take a pic, don't touch it. Take a f***ing picture of it, and we're gonna charge her with it.
Yeah, how are you?
Son of a... Get it. Somebody take a picture of it and get it off me.
Just watch her chin, because that's what we're here for.
I'm not trying to touch it.
I got you.
I got her by the jaw. Jesus. Got it?
You're right. Yeah, I think I got
All
it.
right.
It's just...
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Courtney was charged with resisting and 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law